This Jack Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Audrey Conrad, Realtor, SRES, ASB, IAHSP. Senior Living Campus, 55 plus, Terrace Apartment Rental, first floor living with reasonable rates. Let the maintenance crew take care of snow removal and lawn care. Medical staff is close by for assistance when needed. Many perks available for tenant enjoyment and participation. Pet-friendly community. Call for business office manager for further questions to schedule tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Audrey Conrad, Realtor, SRES, ASB, IAHSP at 717-694-3119.